Hi, I'm going to show you how to crochet 3 rows of single crochet at the same time. This is what it looks like after I've done that twice. So that was 1 time and then 2 times, and it crochets 3 times in a row. Okay, you can use any type of hook, any type of yarn. This is medium worsted that I use, and this was a eye hook. And for the sample, I'm going to do a chain 10. You can do more chains, and this is great for making like scarves and dishcloths and afghans and stuff like that, and it's just a really fast way to do it and fun to do. Okay, so let's get started. I'm going to start off with a chain 10 for a sample. I'm going to insert my hook into the second chain from the hook and pull up my yarn. Insert my hook into the next stitch and pull up. Insert my hook into the next stitch, yarn over and pull up. Then yarn over and pull through 2 loops. Yarn over and pull through 2 loops. Yarn over and pull through 2 loops. Okay, now you're going to insert your hook in the horizontal loop below the parallel loop here and here. So insert your hook and then yarn over and pull up. And then the 2 stitches here, you're going to go through both, yarn over and pull up. And then in the chain, not this chain but this open chain, you're going to insert your hook, yarn over and pull up. You'll have those 4 loops on your hook. You're going to yarn over and pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2. Now you're going to, it's going to start taking shape here. You're going to repeat across again. So through these 2 loops, insert your hook, yarn over and pull up. And then these 2, insert your hook, yarn over and pull up. And then in this chain, insert your hook, yarn over, pull up. You have the 4 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through 2, 3 times, yarn over, pull through 2, then yarn over and pull through 2. And just repeat again. Insert through the 2 loops here, yarn over, pull up, insert through the 2 loops, yarn over, pull up, insert in the chain, pull up, and then yarn over and pull through 2, 3 times, 1, and 2, and then 3. And just repeat until you get to the end. Pull up, insert through 2 loops, yarn over, pull up, insert in the chain, pull up, yarn over, pull through 2 loops 3 times, 1, 2, 3, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, pull up, yarn over, pull through the 2 loops, yarn over, pull up, insert in the chain, pull up, the 4 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and then insert into the 2 loops, insert into the 2 loops, yarn over, pull up, insert into that last chain, yarn over, pull up, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Okay, it's going to look like this. Chain 3 and turn. So in your chain 3, in your second loop, yarn over and pull up, and then in the next chain, yarn over, pull up, and then in the next stitch, yarn over, pull up. It's going to look like this. You're going to yarn over and pull through 2 3 times, so 1, yarn over, pull through 2 twice, yarn over, pull through 2 3 times. Now you're going to insert your hook into the horizontal loop below the parallel loop and pull up a loop twice. So insert your hook here and then there, so those 2 places, yarn over and pull up, and then in this horizontal loop below the parallel loop, here and here, yarn over and pull up, and then into this next stitch, not here but here, yarn over, pull up. So you have the 4 loops on the hook, and then you're going to yarn over and pull through 2 loops 3 times. So yarn over 1, yarn over the 2 loops twice, yarn over the 2 loops 3 times, and then you're just going to start repeating. And as you noticed, you have your rows here, your 3 rows at a time here, and you're just going to go through, insert into those 2 loops, yarn over, pull up, insert into these 2 loops, yarn over, pull up, insert into the next loop, yarn over, pull up, and then yarn over, pull through 2 loops 3 times, 1, yarn over twice for 2 loops, yarn over 3 times for 2 loops. And then just repeat again, and then you're just going to repeat. Insert your hook in the 2 loops, yarn over, pull up, insert, yarn over, pull up, insert into the next, yarn over, pull up, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, insert into the 2 loops, yarn over, pull up, yarn over, and pull through the 2 loops and pull up, insert into the next, yarn over, pull up. You have the 4 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2, and then insert into the 2, yarn over, pull up, insert into the 2 loops, yarn over, pull up, insert into that next one, yarn over, pull up, and then yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and then insert into the 2, yarn over, pull up, yarn over and pull up, insert into that last one, yarn over, pull up, and then yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and then chain 3, and it's going to look like this. And then this is all a repeat. You can use a bigger hook, thicker yarn, smaller hook. It can be used any different way for hooks and yarn. And then chain 3, and then just repeat from this previous row. And then you keep going on and on and on. Okay, so this is a fun way to use a hack to make 3 rows at a time. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe.